Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on down in Birmingham at another client's property that he has under contract. I want to walk through it with you. It's a little bit unique in the layout. It's a 2-bedroom versus our usual 3, 4, 5-bedroom, but it still has a lot to offer. It needs a lot of work. It's going to be a great rental when we're done with it. Just needs some good old TLC, okay? First thing I want to talk about is the interior fan that's outside. That's all. Okay, so guys, as we're kind of walking in here, okay, the first thing that we notice about this door, no good, okay? One of the first things, we have broken panels of glass on the exterior of the door, and we have a deadbolt padlock on the outside. Never a good sign, okay? And as we walk inside, you can see the damage. This is a mess, okay? We're gonna have to take this whole thing out and reframe the whole thing, put a brand new door in here, okay? This is a disaster. So not a good start, okay? Now, as we walk into the living room, guys, floor here is destroyed, totally ruined. We got holes in the floor, holes in the original hardwood. We need to get rid of this. We gotta put carpet down all over this thing, okay? We're not sanding it, we're not refinishing it. Someone tried to paint over it, it looks terrible, all right? Guys, this entire window completely shattered. And it's falling away, so we're most likely gonna have to put a new window in here completely versus just being able to fix that piece of glass, so we're gonna have to redo this whole thing. So the whole unit needs paint, guys, also, okay? Whole unit needs paint, whole unit needs carpeting, okay? As we continue out of the living room, we have a door that doesn't open, and I'll show you why it doesn't open on the other side. But it's completely painted shut, and it's nailed shut on the opposite side. Here we have our dining room, okay? Nice, good-sized dining room, which brings us into the kitchen of the unit, okay? Oof. Which smells very bad. So in here, it's extremely cramped, guys. So it's got old metal cabinets, okay? We're gonna pull all these out, we're gonna rip all these out, we're gonna put all new cabinets in along the whole entire back here, okay? We're gonna move some things around. We're gonna trash this disgusting refrigerator and oven, and we're gonna move them around this kitchen to make this kitchen really flowable in this home, okay? Right now it's extremely choppy the way it's set up. We're gonna get rid of this island piece right here. We'll have a new cabinet to go here. Refrigerator will go there. I'll show you when we go outside, but on the back half of this door that doesn't open, that's sealed shut and literally caulked shut, there is a washer and dryer hookup. So we're gonna move the washer and dryer hookup to this side. This will be out of here. We'll find a place to put a nice washer and dryer in here, maybe a stackable in the corner, but we'll also spread everything else out here so that it's nice, and all your appliances will be pretty centrally located to here, okay? So kitchen needs a ton of work. Kitchen's a full gut, okay? Not a full gut, but we're gonna rip out all the cabinets. We're gonna basically redo everything in this kitchen, okay? So guys, moving back through this area right here, we come into the living space, okay? Bedrooms and bathroom. So in here, guys, we have a decent setup. This home needs all new interior doors. All the doors are busted and gross. None of them close. Nothing closes. Okay, we need all new doors throughout the whole unit. Ceiling needs to be repainted. Everything in here needs to be painted. I can look at these windows and tell you that not one of them is operable. Someone tried to make this one operable, you can see, by gouging the corners to try and make it operable, which it's not. So it won't pass Section 8 inspection, which means we either have to find a way to make one of these windows operable, or we gotta rip one out and put in a brand new aluminum window, okay? Coming through here, guys, this, on the back half of this, is that door. And I'll show you. You guys can look in there. You see that door that we originally had on that back side that's bolted shut, okay? See the hinges over there? You see the full door, okay?
Yep.
This was turned into a pantry. So we're gonna, I guess, just leave this. Update it a little bit. Bathroom, guys, there's water that's still running from the nozzle of the shower. We're gonna take care of that. There's also a vanity that needs to be completely replaced. Everything in here is pretty beat. You can tell the vanity has severe water damage all over the side, okay? We're gonna get rid of that. The toilet's disgusting, we have to replace that, okay? And then guys, moving into this second bedroom, final bedroom, I don't even know what this is, to be honest with you. But it's awful. We gotta, do a lot of work in here too. Put a new door in. I wouldn't even call that a door. It is the only thing in the house that closes like a door though, at least. Never mind. And then guys, here we have broken glass everywhere, okay? So all this is shattered up here. There's broken glass sticking out here. There are cracks in the windows here. Disgusting ceiling fans overhead that are spray painted, that somebody, when they are spraying the ceiling, they hit the fan. So guys, on a house like this, we're looking at pretty much a new kitchen. We're looking at all new interior doors, all new carpet, at least 1 or 2 new windows, glass updates throughout the whole thing. We gotta do all the glass, paint throughout the entire unit, and then of course I forgot something. Come on back over here. So this is a huge issue that I forgot. Sorry, I was just hit with an unbelievably bad smell. So come out here. So all of this stuff, guys, none of the electrical out here was done to code. So you have an open 3-prong outlet that's facing into the rain that's outside, okay? So if a rain comes sideways, there's only a 1 foot or 16-inch overhang on this roof that was here. That's not gonna stop rain, nor is this net. You're gonna get water into here. All of this up there is fried. It's all fried electrical, okay? We have to remove all of this stuff. We're actually gonna end up just removing this entire back porch. All of this is completely sloped. We'd never pass Section 8 with this. We have interior outlet switches, okay, that are located on the exterior. They're in numerous places outside, okay? None of this is gonna pass, none of this would fly. So we're gonna remove all this. Another issue is we have all exposed wiring on the exterior. Again, not gonna pass. Exposed interior outlets on the exterior, not gonna pass. We have to take this entire unit, we have to enclose it. Okay, here's the washer and dryer hookups we were talking about earlier in the kitchen. We're gonna move these to this interior wall right there, so you can do a washer and dryer there. And then we're gonna encapsulate this whole thing and give it a separate entrance, okay? We're gonna rip this whole porch up and do a nice little porch off the back. Now guys, all this work we're gonna be into this thing for about 25 or 30,000. So it definitely needs a lot of work, and for a 2-bedroom, it'll get somewhere between $795 and $900 a month in rent. So we're gonna have to look at the numbers and see if it's gonna work. But if it does, it'll be a great home. It'll be phenomenal. I really love it. I couldn't like this neighborhood anymore. It's super peaceful, really, really high property values in this area. So if you do this the right way, you could really be looking at a strong investment in appreciation in the next couple of years. So guys, please leave your questions and comments below. I'll get to all of them, and I'll see you next time.